We're going to overwinter. It's a jalapeno pepper plant. First thing we're going to do is chop off the tops. More mechanical advantage. Okay, pull them out. Chop off those little ones. On the side. All the way down to the bottom and get the little ones. Okay, now we're going to dig up the roots. That should be good. You should be able to pull that out now. Okay. Now we're going to trim off the bottom of the roots. Shake the dirt off of it. Okay, let's trim it up into a little ball. Okay. Alright, let's take it over and get it in the pot. I'm going to put about 3 inches. Is there 3 or 4 inches? Keep going. Keep going. That's good. Put that in the top. It's okay. Once you get the dirt in, you can straighten it up. Let me pull these last leaves off. Okay. Push it down a little bit. This is just some dirt we had handy. Alright, we have a little wheel caddy. We're going to put a piece of plastic, put the plant down on here. We got some warm water. Just going to put on here. The dirt's real loose, so we're not going to put a lot of water on. We don't want it to leak out on the bottom of the garage floor. Keep going. That's good for the first one. You can put some on the other. So that's overwintered. Here's one that's a couple weeks old. One about 3 weeks. You can see little new buds. This one we probably should have clipped off the top some more. You can see buds. So yeah, we have 3 jalapenos and 1 serrano overwintered. Hopefully they survive. This is not going to be freezing out here because it's in the garage. I may put mulch on top of them just to give them a little added warmth. It's going to be real cold. I might put some plastic, little tinting on the top made of the same plastic material.